Check out the new motorcycle. So, we got this as a joke for channel Ryan Rucker. You get on there, he does a bunch of motorcycle stuff. We're at his house. I've hidden this behind the truck. I'm gonna have things with Nate here, kind of wheel it around. I'm gonna be like, I got you a new motorcycle. He's gonna kind of wheel it around and show him. So when he gets here, I'll get all this set up and we'll see if we can't play this joke on him.
Like to, or seem to like the video about the moped, so here's a video about a little dirt bike we found for 20 bucks. It's real cheap, alright? And we're gonna prank somebody with it when they get here.
Here he comes now. There you go.
Woohoo! You'll fit in the back of my truck.
No. Nate's on the dirt bike out there. He's gonna bring you over.
I saw something there.
Come on, boy.
Front door unlocked. That's cool.
Alright.
We figured you'd like to work on that.
Heck yeah.
That is your new dirt bike.
Is that electric?
It is electric, and the charger's in the back there.
Oh.
I'm pretty sure it's gonna need a battery, but you could charge it up and it'll go for about 10 seconds. So.
Oh really?
Anyway, enjoy your new dirt bike here. I'm sure you can find a home for it after you're done with it. You could just check it out for your channel, huh?
That's awesome, man. Love it.
Alright guys, thanks for tuning in. If you guys enjoyed, please subscribe, share, like, comment. Appreciate you.